Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of JavaScript. Today we are going to learn how to compare two arrays in JavaScript. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first method that we are going to use, that is toString method, right? So here you can see that first I convert that into the toString, and the same with another one. Then typescript the check, that means typecasting the check with a triple equal to, like if it is totally equal, then we are console.log the arrays are equal, else they are not equal. So let's have a look, is it working or not? So go to our folder and here you can see that arrays are equal. Let's add some more over it. If I add 4 over here, what happens? Arrays are not equal, right? So this is how you are able to compare two arrays in a JavaScript. Moving to the next step, let's comment this array, and the second step, that is called the every method, right? So let me uncomment the code. Okay, the another one is the every method. What this method do? You can also compare the two arrays by checking if every element in one array is equal to the corresponding element in the other array, right? So here we are just first checking the length, and array1 dot every the value and their index. Okay, array1 the value and the index with array2 index, we are matching that indexing, right, and the values. If they are equal, then it can come to that line, else it will go to the arrays are not equal. If I go to save and just reload this one, you can see that arrays are equal. And if I go and just add it over here like something 4, so you can see that the arrays are not equal. So another way is that you can do the every method. Okay, so this will also help to compare the two arrays in JavaScript. Next one that we are going to discuss, that is json.stringify. Let me comment this one and uncomment this one. So first we are just converting into the json.strings, we are converting that into strings, then comparison. Okay, json.stringify conversion with the array one string, then the second one, then comparison if they are equal or not. Let's have save this and reload this tab, and you can see that arrays are equal, right? So these are the three methods where you can check how to compare two arrays in JavaScript. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.